Asphalt shingle roofs are very common and prevalent here in Mid-Missouri and across the nation. There are a wide variety of manufacturers that are great providers for these systems that we've talked about. We do like to install the Owens Corning system as well as the GAF system in our install process, and that's going to mean that we're going to use every aspect of the manufacturer's requirements that we're going to install per their specifications. A lot of the pros are there's a lot of different aesthetics you can look for asphalt shingles as far as colors, different variations, depth and dimension that you can get out of a lot of these different asphalt shingles. As far as the cons themselves, I would say there's not a whole lot. You can't expect a roof in Mid-Missouri to last 18 to 22 years if it's maintained appropriately, and you do have regular maintenance as far as calling a professional like ourselves out to inspect the roof and just basically just doing a once over on it and making sure it's still running up to a standard expectation for that system. As far as the cons go, there would be probably people do want to look into metal roofs sometimes, but cost wise I would say that would be another pro. As far as the positives, looking into asphalt shingles, they're a lot more affordable. The systems that are maintained that we like to install through these manufacturers are really have really improved over the past couple of years. So the longevity is definitely gaining, and there's a lot of underlayments, ice and water shield, synthetic felt that we use now. Those are all good components of roofing systems that weren't as prevalent now or in the past as they are now. So there's an asphalt component in any asphalt shingle. There's different styles and aesthetics you can go with as far as just a regular a double laminate shingle. That's probably the most prevalent here in Mid-Missouri and across the nation. There are additional shingles that you can go ahead and install that are going to be similar to the existing asphalt, like a Class 4 hail impact resistant shingle. That's just a little bit more of a reinforced matting, and that you've got a lot of insurance carriers will go ahead and give you a premium discount. I would encourage homeowners to speak with their agent in that realm to confirm that, but that's something else that you can expect as far as a different change in an asphalt system to gain some more positive outcomes out of it.